using Long Island crane to crane a 3,000-pound pool over the house. 3 days, they're gonna be swimming with the fishies. So what's up?
Today's Wednesday, fiberglass lift day. We got an Eclipse 35 leisure pool going in, 3,000 pounds going over the house to the pit in the back.
Got a beautiful design. It's gonna be a beautiful backyard right here in South Farmingdale.
Yep, patio, pergola, the whole nine. We're gonna redo the whole backyard for them.
35-year warranty. Just came in. Jared, crew's great.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go.
All right, so right now what we're setting up for is to make sure the center point of the crane can handle the weight of this pool. This pool is extremely heavy. It's a little over 3,000 pounds. But once it's about 150 feet out, it's about 35,000 pounds. So the further it goes out, the higher angle we gotta go, the larger the crane needs to be to make sure that the weight on that angle isn't gonna flip the whole crane into your house. Save the tree. It's all about being sustainable here at JAS Aquatics. Sustainable company, sustainability. We'll be around forever. I'll do it right so they don't twine up. Out on the phone, we're working. Call Jared. Anything? We do about one fiberglass a month right now, which is kind of a lot. We prep the site correctly, which a lot of companies don't do. So you gotta really take out all the dirt, make sure the dirt is not organic, and it won't sink. Irregular shaped stone, not round stone. Round stone tumbles, irregular shaped stone interlocks. Chris, you got the duct tape?
Yo, check. Tell Jose to go check on the stoop. See if I left it on the stoop or something.
Oh, Jose, please.
Please, Jose, please.
Alright, I'll table it down.
Spacing.
Take it off, take it off.
Nice, good.
Oh, shit. Yeah, we're gonna need duct tape.
Yeah, gotcha.
I think that's gonna create
So we're outside, we got a 3,000-pound pool in the air right now. Check it out, look at that. Communication is very important, especially when the guy can't see in the front. All talking to each other, you talk, you gotta talk. Even if nothing's going on, they gotta talk.
Ready that?
Yes, you can lower it. What does he need to come to me? Come to you or me? It's good? Don't pull too much, Bono. Let it come to me a little. I'll angle the stairs to the door. Right your hands in the angle.
Yeah. I think you should boom back a little this way.
Throw some gravel in.
Yeah, this way.
Nah, right here is perfect. It's just touching enough where we can push it around.
15. I already know, it's supposed to be 15. We gotta go a little more this way. Where's your 15? Yeah, tell them we gotta go back like 8 inches.
Right about there is good. Alright, that's good. Pull a little, Christian. Jose, a little bit. Right there, stop, 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 stop. That's it. Drop it, let go.
Come down now?
Yeah, come down. Right there's perfect. Pull you around me and pull. Alright, right there.
Christian, pull, Christian.
Pull, Christian. See, look, now we can move the pool. This way. Bring it down, bring it down. Yeah, get ready to pull it forward. You guys just holding it right now.
Yeah.
Start pulling, so the second it gets the weight off, move it.
No, it really depends on the inspector. Usually, as long as you didn't get closer than 15, that's it.
1 inch?
Yeah, 1 inch.
See how, you see, look at the floor. You see the floor? See how the floor stays? The pool's good. Throw some gravel in. Right now we're putting in gravel on the bottom to get the bottom flat so that the pool sits at the right height. Go up like 2 feet. Give me the 2x4. You gotta get it all flat. You see how he's leveling it now? That's what we gotta do. Good job, Jose. Final job.
Jose, watch your head.
It's coming down. Christian? That's not even lose a $30. This thing is broken. Good. Down. What about over here? Check that. Look, see if you can lift it. Jose, pick it up like this. Because they're gonna pick that up, watch.
Here?
This side up 4 inches. Lift it up. See what happens. You see, it's right there.
Yeah, you just have to lift that side.
2, 3. More. 1, 2, 3.
That's good.
See, look. That side doesn't move.
Jesse, if you move this back this way, it's gonna kick that ass in that way, right?
Yeah, but we can pull this in and then pull that in too if you want.
Because I want that ass end over like a foot, and then what do we need to do? Lift this side with gravel, right?
Well, right now we're packing the gravel around the base.
Right.
Get like 8 inches around the base. Then we'll bring in gravel.
Right.
Sorry, RCA.
I don't want it to be in front of the equipment pad because your diving board's not going to be. Your diving board will get in the way if I kick that ass too far over to the equipment. This is going to give you more room to get to your diving board. Where that
I would push the pool more this way. This side, this way. It's up to you guys. I think this is a good spot.
If we're saying just this.
No, I know.
Yeah, just this. Yeah.
Isn't squared off the property line. He's gonna have planter
Right,
beds.
but that curve there, that center line is that cutout.
Yeah, you're not understanding them. I understand this
You know what
is
I'm
the
saying?
center line of the pool.
Yeah, I'm not worried about this. That ass end there, that center line is where Christian's at.
Yeah, so we have a light. Right
in
I'm
the
gonna
middle
put
there?
here.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that the angle is about 180 degrees. Since we use
Perfect.
the Jandy Hydro Cools.
Okay.
12 watt. So it comes here. It's gonna be about an angle like that.
Nice.
And then you got the 2 bubblers.
2 bubblers with
And you
lights in
got-
them.
With lights in them. You got your return here.
Turn it.
You got a return there.
Return there,
I want
yeah,
it.
yeah.
I want to add another return. You see where I put that piece of tape
Yeah,
on the
whatever
edge?
you think is best, that will make it work.
I think that you're gonna get
Okay.
stagnant water there,
Want the
so
light
you should
down
just
there?
put it in.
Yeah.
The lights are on the bottom, 30
Okay.
inches down.
So
And
that
then-
one's a light.
That's a light in the
Light
back.
And the
and
back
light.
light. Okay.
So you got 3
You
lights.
think that light should be more centered or no?
I think you should add one more light. It's a dark pool, so dark pools don't reflect
on the
sunlight.
other side of that
Serious.
edge?
Just change it to a 24 watt. And do 12 watt, 12 watt, 12 watt.
Whatever you think is
12
best.
watt, 24. The 24 watt is pretty nice.
How much is
It's probably like $50, $100. I would
Yeah,
just give it to him.
Thank you. Yeah, just throw.
But if
what
he
do you
wants
think?
to add another 12 watt,
Yeah.
then just keep it as a 12 watt.
So-
Just do another 12 watt.
So we'll do one light here, one light there.
2,
Jesse,
3,
one light on
4.
where Christian's at.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Christian,
Deal.
another
And then
light
all those
right
other
here.
ones are returned.
Right there.
Okay.
More.
And then skimmers are on this side.
So we're just putting everything in right now, and on site we do a lot of not a lot of changes because I don't like changing things, but I feel like we should add an extra light into this pool. So we're just gonna add the extra light, and then we also have the pool return that I don't want any stagnant water sitting here, so we're gonna add another return in. And since we didn't put that in the design, I'm gonna consider that our fault, and we're gonna put it in and no charge and make the customer happy and do a good job. 2 bubblers in here, Jandy bubblers with 6 watt LED lights. They're gonna go have American pride, baby. So we gotta do a good job. And if something's wrong, we'll fix it and do it right. That's it. One day at a time. One pool every day. Think about
I
where
thought
the
very
fucking lights
long
go.
and hard about this job. You know, this
Long and hard, right?
beautiful layout. It's gonna give him enough room to do his pergola, his outdoor kitchen, redo his deck.
Party it up,
You know,
drink some
Both
handles.
sunlight
Do you believe
in
him?
this area.
Yeah, I believe the guy's gonna get drunk in the backyard. Have a great time.